Oof. I don't know if that's Vogue. I have a really bad feeling about this. Like the wind is telling me something. I freaking knew it. I had a bad feeling. Ah! Don't worry. I have my special powers. Yeah!
Doesn't mean it didn't fully go in.
Oh my god! These things are super filthy. I just spray that. Holy fuck, you can tell it's so filthy. Try to look at this. If I open it. Oh, it's getting closer. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. 3 fucking days.
Come on! Strike me!
Oh, you're going garbage. Lines doesn't look damaged. Ace transmission is solid. That was like one of my biggest worries was that this input shaft was fucked, but she good. Oh, hey, there's just 2 screws. Oh, 3, actually 3. Okay. So here's the fork. Wait, where's his? So this is the old one. This is the brand new one. If you look closely, see the pin where it pivots right there, and look at this one. This one is completely worn out.
Are you sure about that? How's your car holding up? You drove it recently?
Was that? Oh, I didn't even drove it for like 2 weeks.
Since the stuff started slipping?
Yeah, I just let it sit. I'm gonna try to make it live as long as I can. Okay, that's my phone. She looks so clean now. I gotta spray it with brake clean. Round. Oh fuck! What round are we on? 7.
Bruh.
It could be wrong. It could be 5. What do you guys think? Put it down in the comments. How many times I pulled this motor? Okay, let's do this right. Damn, they didn't send me the flywheel bolt.
Bruh.
The only bolts I have is this. Where's the flywheel bolt? Unless it doesn't come with it. Oh well, I gotta reuse that. Alright, so I got the new clutch in. I gotta go get bolts so I could put the 2 struts on the upper oil pan. The fork and the throttle bearing is in, so yep, I gotta go to City Mill. But as you can see, guys, the clutch is in the right way. You sure about that?
Is this supposed to go in more, or is that's it?
No, it's supposed to go in more.
Okay.
So you gotta push it in. When you push it in, trans gotta drop. It looks like the trans gotta drop just a hair and push it in because you gotta get it perfect.
That's fucking close. Though.
That's really
That's
close.
fucking close. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's bolt her in. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, I'm trying to do it with one hand, that's why.
No, you're good. Okay, this side is almost just pull it in.
We got everything in. We just need a starter because, yeah, that one's too big. Can I show the viewers, Josh? That hole's right there. This is for the EGR. Right there where the clamp is, it's leaking.
So all that coolant leaking.
Yes.
We have to clean it, right?
Yeah, just spray with brake.
Should we empty out all the coolant from the radiator?
So
So it stops leaking from up there.
is it leaking when I squeeze it? You hear it, yeah? I hear it.
I feel like it's dripping.
It's dripping. I mean, we could just put a towel under there and then tomorrow run to O'Reilly's and just get it. True. Got the car on the ground. Ooh, she's moving. She's moving. Whoa, that is sensitive. You wanna jump in? Dude, it's heavy, dude.
It's heavy?
Yeah, you gotta like rev it. You really gotta rev it.
Okay, smooth the car in.
Okay. Now, Josh, I'll go around.
When you die, if you die, I'm probably gonna take all your shit. So go on, get! Make mama proud!
Oh, she went into second. Shut up!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep,
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
most likely.
Bring it on.
There we go. There's a lot of fuel. Ooh. A lot of smoke. Oh, you didn't plug in the ground, dog. Oh, the starter ground. Which there shouldn't be No, it did do. I tried turning the key and then the thing didn't turn on. Okay. Now she doesn't want to crank. What? Oh, thank you.